Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need the essentials: updated Roblox and an unlocked orientation. First, check app and OS versions so you avoid compatibility bugs. Once done, turn off orientation lock and enable auto-rotate in quick settings. This lets the system accept portrait changes. Next, force close Roblox and any heavy apps, then reboot to clear GPU and memory states. Doing these steps fixes common portrait glitches and prepares you for deeper in-app adjustments without wasting time on needless checks. Now tackle Roblox settings and display scaling. Open Roblox, go to Settings Graphics and choose Automatic or a lower quality level so the UI can reflow into portrait. This prevents clipped HUD elements. Then, check System Display Zoom or Scaling and set it to default because odd scaling breaks layout. If UI still misaligns, clear Roblox app cache. If that fails, uninstall then reinstall to refresh corrupted resources. These actions change how assets render so portrait mode becomes stable. Finish by validating portrait across several Roblox experiences to see whether the problem is global or game-specific. If an issue persists, gather exact device model, OS build, Roblox version, and step-by-step repro notes. Then report to Roblox support or the game developer. Precise data speeds a fix. As a troubleshooting tip, check logs or use developer console via remote debugging to capture rendering errors. This helps you or devs pinpoint shaders, UI anchors, or asset scale issues causing portrait failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.